Welcome to Street Tank, the show where budding social entrepreneurs have the chance to pitch their exciting and innovative ideas around early childhood development. Our judges are looking for ideas that will give young children the chance to reach their dreams and fulfill their potential. Now, let's go to our judges where they'll take things from here.
All right, let's get started. Entrepreneur, what is your early childhood development idea?
Imagine if children could talk to chickens. Yes, I am developing a smartphone app that will be an educational communication tool where children can talk to chickens.
I don't know. How will it help children? We're looking for something that will help educate children and allow them to reach their potential.
You know, there are a lot of apps out there. What are you going to do to acquire customers and achieve viral growth? What's the adoption rate of smartphones for chickens? And do you really want to mix chickens and viral?
Very good question. Very good. I was actually planning on asking the chickens these questions once the app is functional. Yes. Can we just say we fund now and I answer the questions later?
No.
I take that as a no. Yeah. I got your next big idea right here. Oatmeal. Yeah, that's right. We could create a non-profit public access video series about cooking delicious, plain, bland oatmeal. Children can learn early math as we measure out the oatmeal.
Oatmeal?
It's not the flashiest idea. So how are you going to capture and measure your impact? What early math outcomes do you hope to improve?
Just creating the videos is not enough. How do you know you're helping and entertaining children with this oatmeal video series?
What's more entertaining and innovative than oatmeal? Paper clips! Oh, be right back. Hey, I got a rotten invention for you. How about an app on one of these phone thingies here that lets kids, when they're sad, communicate when they're sad, and maybe make other people sad, huh?
I love this idea. I don't know about the last part. It's hard for children to communicate their feelings. We can think of it more broadly to include other emotions.
It could be a great social emotional learning tool, not to mention its potential uses in speech therapy.
What?
Great idea, Oscar. I think the key will be choosing your distribution channel, though. Do you want to go direct to consumers or target parents via an online app store?
Stop taking my perfectly grouchy idea and making it all useful. It's for being sad and grouchy, not... Oh, this is all wrong. Oh.
As you can see, having the next big idea in early childhood development is not easy.
It isn't just about having an idea. All of us need to be thinking about the entire venture framework: distribution, customer, technology, fundraising, business models, team, and ultimately social impact.
That's why we're so excited to hear about your innovative ideas and to help bring them to reality. We are looking for all kinds of ventures, tech and non-tech, for-profit and non-profit, ideas that are going to maximize a child's potential. Together, we can continue the revolutionary change that Sesame Street brought to children's education 50 years ago as we help children grow smarter, stronger, and kinder. Now, let's hear those pitches, and remember, oatmeal has already been pitched.
And paper clips. Ah!